the next time, plans for the next time we meet. I've ordered moonlight and roses and stardust to put at your feet. I'll be prepared for the next time. I'll bring my heart to your door. Won't make mistakes like the last time. No, it won't be like it was before. I've been a fool, ignored every rule. Oh, such a fool I've been. Now I'm aware I've been so unfair, but it won't happen again. So I'm making plans for the next time, plans for a night so complete, making big plans for the next time, making plans for the next time we meet. Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road.
In the spring of 2021, I stumbled into classic car ownership for the first time with my 1968 Volkswagen Beetle, a car that I've now sold with great regret. That car was really special to me, but it actually wasn't really about the car at all. It was about the experience of ownership, the experience of maintenance, and ultimately the experience of learning about myself and growing as an engineer and a problem solver, an enthusiast, a driver, and ultimately a caretaker. Now, in the vast world of automotive enthusiasm, the corner that's occupied by Porsche has always been, without question, where my heart lies. Moving to Tennessee and buying this house meant that I finally had an opportunity to thaw out this passion of mine. Car. With a garage to park in and tools to work with and my ADHD in full swing, remind me to tell you a story later about how or why I bought 6 Porsches in 2023.
So here I am, once again combining my passions for outstanding engineering, driving excellence, and mechanical problem solving, and now, of course, video production and storytelling. While You're In There is about sharing the journey, sharing the passion, and sharing the appreciation of these incredible machines and the experiences that come along with them. After all, in the depths of the ownership experience, we learn not only about the intricacies of the car, but also the abilities of ourselves. We learn patience in the face of complexity. We learn perseverance in the midst of challenges. We learn how to let go and embrace imperfection. And most of all, we experience a profound sense of satisfaction in the fruits of our labor.
With branches low like spiral stairs, we climb into her maiden hair. Feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watch from our proud little tree. We hummed a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake. The jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near. The leaves would fall like paper tears.
With each splash of water and every wipe with a towel, you invest not only time, but also care and attention, infusing the car with a sense of reverence and respect. And as the water cascades down the hood and the fenders, reflecting the world around it, you realize that this seemingly simple act of washing your car is actually a tangible expression of love, a testament to the enduring connection between driver and the machine. The deeper we dive into the maintenance and care of these cars, the truth we uncover is clear. The love we invest in our cars is repaid tenfold in the beauty and joy of the open road, in the unmatched satisfaction of getting a downshift just right, and even in the quiet moments of reflection as we pull into the garage at the end of a drive.
Big open sky, fly. My heart is big open
In the world of engineering, as in life itself, there exists a beauty that transcends mere existence. A beauty that's found in the love we give, the care we provide, the growth we experience, and most importantly, a beauty in the discoveries we make about ourselves along the way.